we'll guide you through how to make stretch text in Alight Motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Alight Motion on your device. Once the application has loaded completely, press the plus button at the bottom of the screen to create a new project. Set your project settings according to your needs, and then press Create Project to open the editing workspace. After entering the project, press the plus button in the bottom right corner of the screen. From the available options, select Text to add a new text layer. Once the text box appears, type the text that you want to use. After entering your text, adjust the alignment according to your preference. Next, go to the font section and choose a font that you like. Browse through the available fonts and select one that matches the style you want for your text. After selecting a font, go to the size option and adjust the text size based on your needs. Once the size has been adjusted, open the color option and select the color you want to use for your text. Choose any color that suits your project. Open the effects browser and search for stretch segment. Once you find the effect, apply it to the text layer. After the effect has been added, open its settings to customize the appearance of the stretch effect. First, adjust the angle setting. The angle controls the direction of the stretch effect. Change the value until the effect is positioned the way you want. Next, go to the stretch parameter. This setting controls how much the text is stretched. Increase or decrease the stretch value according to the result you want. After adjusting the stretch amount, open the offset setting. The offset controls the position of the stretch effect on the text. Finally, go to the smoothing option. Use this setting to smooth the edges and appearance of the stretch effect. Adjust the smoothing value until the effect looks the way you want. Then you finally complete the whole process to make stretch text in Alight Motion.